I'm Ollie from Eat the Set List. Here we have Jack from Postmodern Jukebox.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Kraków, Poland.
Normally, I'm taking people for exotic food and drinks around the world, but Jack's taking me for my first. What we got here?
This is an espresso tonic,
Espresso tonic. What's in an espresso tonic?
as it says on the tin. Tonic and espresso.
Do you like this drink?
I love it, yeah. I've introduced a few people to it, but it's had a bit of a... I think it's had about a 60% hit rate, I reckon, of people that like it. The 40% are not into it at all, so I'm interested in
60%. Well, I love espresso. I love sparkling water. I used to like gin and tonics. So you think...
I think you'll like it.
Yeah?
I think you'll like it.
Well, I think there's one thing left to do, which is to try it. So do you stir it?
I like to stir it, because it's... and we just asked the waitress, and she said it had honey and lime in it.
Honey and lime, yeah.
I think. So I would stir it to get a bit of that.
Okay, so we... Cheers to
Cheers,
Kraków.
guys.
Oh, it's so good.
That is good.
I wish I found this earlier this year. It's a very summery drink, isn't it?
You can be cool now and order it in the UK. Again, most people don't know what it is, so you'd be like, but you know how to pour it now. You've got to pour the espresso into the tonic, not the tonic into the espresso, otherwise it goes everywhere.
Fantastic. And one last thing, what are you doing tomorrow?
We're playing a show.
Club Studio.
There you go. We'll be there. We'll be playing drums, and I don't know what the tagline is. Yesterday's hits in a new way.
There it is.
I'm Ollie from Eat the Set List. This is Jack from Postmodern Jukebox. This is Craig, the NPC in the corner.
Hi.
Until next time.